NBC 10's Aaron Baskerville is live in Lower Merion Township with this latest twist. Aaron, fill us in.
Yeah, Tracy, another twist, back and forth, right? We do know about 12 days ago, September 14th, that's when those service cuts were rolled back, and that's also when those fare increases were raised, or fare increases took place. Over here, you can see one of the signs, it says 1. That's one of those bus routes that was brought back. But now again, there's hikes, there's an increase, but a lawyer is stepping in, trying to help these riders out.
It stinks, but as someone who doesn't have a license, you just kind of have to grin and bear it.
Kara Morgan is dealing with the new norm on SEPTA. Nearly 2 weeks ago, the transit agency rolled back cuts but also increased fares. Morgan takes the bus to work every single day, and the new cost of getting there is slowly adding up.
It's definitely about like a $6 increase weekly, so, and then times it by 4 weeks.
And then times it by the year.
Yep.
But now there's a new push to get rid of the fare hikes. The same lawyer who successfully fought to roll back service cuts tells NBC 10 he's now about to file a class action lawsuit trying to end the fare increase. He's also looking to get refunds for all riders.
If there was an emergency situation, they're allowed to take temporary action. But this fare increase is not a temporary measure. This is permanent. And if you're going to do a permanent fare increase, the statute absolutely says you have to have a legitimate public hearing.
George Paquetto believes SEPTA violated the statute for having a public hearing on the hike. He also says the agency is sitting on a $300 million reserve fund, which could pay for the $30 million collected from the increase.
They want to punish the riders in order to be able to put pressure on Harrisburg, and it's outrageous.
We're told this won't be a quick result. Paquetto feeling it could take months before riders get any decision on the lawsuit. NBC 10 talked to civil litigation lawyer Nikole Dagessian, who's not affiliated with the case. We asked if riders have a chance.
I would say absolutely, because ultimately it would be up to the judge to decide. There are factual issues as well. Does SEPTA have enough money to keep it running?
So this is the latest twist. We'll just have to wait and see if this actually does happen. Paquetto says that lawsuit should be filed within the next 7 days. Of course, we reached out to SEPTA about the lawsuit, also about some of those accusations. They simply said no comment tonight. For now, we're live in Lower Merion. Aaron Baskerville, NBC 10 News.